Welcome to Consumer Pick. The best Alexa robot is probably one of the most fascinating advancements in home automation, seamlessly blending artificial intelligence with practical functionality to create a truly interactive and helpful companion for your living space, capable of managing your smart home devices, answering your questions, and even providing entertainment, all through simple voice commands. Number 5. iRobot Roomba 692 Robot Vacuum. Introducing the iRobot Roomba 692, a smart robot vacuum designed to make cleaning your home effortless. It's the perfect way to start cleaning smarter, right from day one. Simply schedule your cleanings through the iRobot Home app or use your voice assistant. It takes care of daily dirt, dust, and debris, so you don't have to. Its advanced cleaning system and dual brushes work together to loosen, lift, and suction dirt from both carpets and hard floors. An edge-sweeping brush ensures corners and edges are spotless. This smart device learns your cleaning habits to offer personalized schedules. Plus, you can start cleaning with just the sound of your voice using Alexa or Google Assistant. Equipped with advanced sensors, it navigates seamlessly under and around furniture, and along edges. Cliff Detect technology prevents it from falling downstairs. Featuring Dirt Detect technology, it senses dirtier areas in your home and focuses its cleaning efforts there for a more thorough clean. With iRobot OS, you can set it to clean when you leave and stop when you return. You'll always come home to a clean house, without noticing the cleaning process. What we like. This robot vacuum learns your habits for personalized cleaning schedules. If you are looking for a smart, hands-free cleaning experience that adapts to your routine, this is a great choice. It's particularly good for homes with pets, handling their hair effectively. What people say. The robot has a very sleek and modern design that looks great in any room. It's incredibly easy to set up and start using right out of the box. The voice control is responsive and accurate, allowing for hands-free operation. Number 4. Lefant M210 Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Introducing the Lefant M210, a powerful robot vacuum designed for modern living. It offers strong suction and an impressive 120-minute runtime, ensuring a thorough clean every time. With its slim and compact design, this vacuum effortlessly glides under furniture like beds and sofas. It reaches those tricky spots, ensuring comprehensive cleaning coverage throughout your home. Tired of pet hair cluttering your floors? Its unique brushless suction port effectively captures pet hair and dirt without tangles, making it ideal for pet owners. Take control with the Lefant app and voice commands via Alexa or Google Assistant. Schedule cleanings, adjust suction, and choose from 6 different cleaning modes to suit your needs. Equipped with upgraded FreeMove Technology 3.0, it intelligently detects and avoids obstacles, automatically adjusting its path for a smooth and efficient cleaning experience. Enjoy up to 120 minutes of cleaning on a single charge thanks to its long-life battery. It automatically returns to its charging base when needed, so it's always ready for the next clean. What we like. Its slim profile allows it to clean under furniture easily, and it operates with low noise for minimal disruption. If you need a vacuum that can reach tight spaces and run for extended periods without being bothersome, this is the one to consider. What people say. The robot is designed to be a companion and can interact with users through voice commands and gestures. It features a camera that allows it to recognize faces and objects, and can also be used for video calls. The robot can play music, tell stories, and answer questions, making it a versatile entertainment device. Number 3. iRobot Roomba i7 Plus Robot Vacuum. Introducing the iRobot Roomba i7 Plus, a revolutionary robot vacuum designed to make your cleaning routine effortless. It intelligently navigates your home, learning its layout for a superior clean. Forget about emptying the dustbin. This advanced vacuum automatically empties itself into an enclosed bag, holding weeks of debris. You can focus on what matters most while it handles the mess. Take charge of your clean with smart mapping technology. It learns your home's unique layout, allowing you to direct it to clean specific rooms or avoid certain areas. You decide where and when it cleans. Enjoy the convenience of voice control. Simply ask Alexa or Google Assistant to start cleaning, and let it take care of the rest. Cleaning your home has never been easier. This robot vacuum is built to last and gets even better over time. With advanced hardware, it's ready for today's smart features and future innovations. It's an investment in a cleaner home for years to come. Tackling pet hair on carpets or hard floors is no challenge for this powerful cleaner. It's designed to effectively capture dirt, dust, and pet hair from every surface. What we like. This advanced robot vacuum offers smart mapping to clean specific rooms and includes a self-emptying base for ultimate convenience. If you want a truly hands-off cleaning experience and the ability to define exactly where it cleans and avoids, this is the premium option. What people say. The Alexa robot is a fantastic companion that keeps you entertained and informed. Its sleek design and advanced features make it a standout product in the smart home market. The voice recognition is incredibly accurate, allowing for seamless interaction and control of various smart devices. Number 2. Anki Vector 2.0 AI Robot Companion. Introducing Vector 2.0, the AI robot companion that brings intelligence and personality into your home. He's designed to interact with you and his environment in fascinating ways. He navigates your home independently, recognizes faces, and reacts to his surroundings with lifelike autonomy. No remote control is needed, he's always ready to engage. Now powered by ChatGPT, he offers more natural and meaningful interactions. Ask him complex questions or enjoy richer conversations for more insightful responses. He can understand and converse in multiple languages, including Spanish, French, German, and Chinese. He's the perfect companion for global households and language learners. Equipped with an HD camera and advanced sensors, he maps his environment, recognizes faces, and detects obstacles in real time. This allows for seamless and safe navigation. Watch him come alive with expressive eyes, emotions, and playful reactions. His personality develops and changes the more you interact with him. What we like. This is not a vacuum, but an AI robot companion that can hold intelligent conversations and recognize faces. If you're looking for an interactive, smart home device that can engage with you on a deeper level and provide information, this is a unique offering. What people say. The robot has a sleek and modern design that complements any home decor. Its advanced AI allows for seamless navigation and obstacle avoidance. The voice control feature is highly responsive and intuitive to use. Number 1. Nintendo LABO Robot Kit. Unfold the cardboard, assemble your suit, and step into the game to become a powerful robot. It's a one-size-fits-all design, so anyone can play. In this game, you can demolish your surroundings and take on exciting challenges. By doing so, you'll unlock incredible new abilities. Make your robot truly yours by customizing its in-game appearance. Feel free to use your own markers and supplies to decorate your creation. Ready for a showdown? Challenge a friend to a two-player battle using your own creations. You can even play on a single screen. Explore the Toy-Con Garage mode to invent new ways to play. Use special input nodes or even create your very own projects. What we like. This kit lets you build a physical robot suit out of cardboard that brings your in-game character to life. If you enjoy hands-on crafting, creative play, and a unique gaming experience where you physically embody the character, this is a fantastic choice for fun and imagination. What people say. The robot has a very sleek and modern design that looks great in any room. It can perform a variety of tasks, including cleaning, playing music, and controlling smart home devices. The voice recognition is excellent, and it understands commands clearly even in noisy environments. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.